Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook garlic shrimp. First, make sure you have 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined, ready to go. You will also need 4 cloves of fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget your seasonings: a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a truly delicious meal. Now, let's get our main components ready for cooking. It is important to thoroughly pat your shrimp dry with paper towels. This step helps them sear beautifully, preventing a mushy texture. Next, take your 4 cloves of garlic and mince them very finely. Smaller pieces release more flavor into your dish. If you like, chop some fresh parsley now for a vibrant garnish at the end. Proper preparation truly elevates the final result. We are ready to start building our incredible flavor base. Place a large skillet over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes, allowing it to get nice and hot. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan. As soon as the butter is fully melted and foamy, add your finely minced garlic and the half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Cook this aromatic mixture for just about 1 minute until the garlic becomes fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Now it is time for the star of our dish, the shrimp. Add all of your prepared shrimp into the skillet, ensuring they are in a single layer for even cooking. Generously season the shrimp with both salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance their natural sweetness. Cook the shrimp for just 2 to 3 minutes on each side. They will turn opaque pink and curl slightly when perfectly done. Overcooking will make them tough, so watch them closely for that ideal texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.